Hi guys, welcome back to Jadyn Crafts, and today I'm finally going to be doing the rating my friends to-do list part 3. So let's get started with this awesome video. People have been requesting this and I've been putting it off because I haven't had enough time to do it, and I still don't have enough time to do it, but I will do it for y'all. So that's why I'm doing it today, right now. So yeah, last time I did this, I had a lot of fun, and apparently you guys did too because y'all have been wanting another one. So let's just hop in to the video and see which bracelets or keychains or bookmarks or whatever that I choose from my friends' to-do list. So let's go. Okay, so this is my friends list, and I have 7 pages of friends, and that's crazy. So hopefully I choose the right people for this video, because 7 pages of friends is gonna be insane. So hopefully you find yours if you have friended me on Bracelet Book, and hopefully we have a great time. So yeah, let me scroll through and see who I'm going to choose. Let's see. How about, oh, that is so pretty. Monarch butterflies, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Let's click on their profile. Very cute, very aesthetic. I love it. I love it. Oh, those photos are gorgeous. Gorgeous. I've been in more of an alpha mood lately, so I think this is gonna be an alpha episode, which I'm super excited for because I have only been making normal patterns this month, and I wanted to switch it up with this video. Aloha. Shaka. Love that. Jill would love flamingos. She loves flamingos. And I love the pattern as well. Oh my gosh. I love this pattern. I've been wanting to do this pattern for so long, you don't even know. And now I can do it. It's meant to be. It's meant to be. I'm making that pattern. I am going to make this pattern. I love Hawaii or Hawaii or Hawaii. However you call it, I love Hawaii. I love all of it. I love all of it. And I've been wanting to make this pattern. It looks so cool. Once it's done, like, look at how pretty. Look at how pretty. Add to do. Boom. That is 1 down. 2 more to go. Okay, we are back on the friends list, and let's see another person who has some good patterns, and let's see what profile picture sparks the eye of mine again. Ooh, that is a cool looking box of threads. I love aesthetic things. I literally reorganized my whole phone, and I'm obsessed. I will pop up a picture somewhere so you can see what I did. And there's multiple tutorials, so just go look it up if you would like. It just makes me so happy. Coco, I love Coco. A lot of Disney, Star Wars, Disney. Oh my goodness, I love Disney too. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to do this pattern for so long. Again, this episode or whatever, this number 3 is very lucky. I'm officially going to be making those 2 bracelets, but let's just look for another alpha to tickle my fancy. I think that's the expression, but yeah, let's go see what other person will be in this video. This one is just for fun. I'm just looking for the number 3 that I might make later. I probably will make it later, but let's see what we can find and who I will choose for the last pattern. Oh my gosh, is that a bucket hat? And is that a yellow iPhone? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That is so cute. And you have the matching friendship bracelets. And I love your bio, or I don't even know what they call it on Bracelet Book, but I'm gonna call it a bio. I love your bio. Guess what? That's whack. Oh my goodness, I love these. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Sign language for love? That is so cool. Do it in like different skin tones. I wish I could do 3, but again, I literally don't have time. I literally don't have time. Sorry for the shakeage of the camera, but I'm definitely going to be making this after this video, but I can't make 3 things in 3 days. It's just not possible for me. I'm going to add this to my to-do list and we will make it later. It just won't be featured in the video, but hopefully it will be featured in the monthly wrap-up for September, because I hope that I get around to doing this pattern. I just don't have time to do it this week. That is all of the patterns, all of the people that are in this video. I'm going to go make those 2 patterns. These 2 patterns right here, and definitely gonna be making that one later. So peace out. See you in like 1 second, but it'll be like probably 2 days for me. So peace out. Okay, so it is currently like the day I'm supposed to be posting this, and it is probably like 9:30 and I haven't posted a video yet. So if you see this at like 12 o'clock at night, don't be surprised, because I'm filming the outro right now and I still need to edit just the outro. But I finally finished and I am super late because I've had problems with school and soccer and finishing these all day, and I, again, had no time. So, sorry, lo siento. The first one is the Hawaii license plate. Sorry for my sniffles. This one is super cute, super big. I love, love, love this one. I started out with 23 strings up top up here, and I had to add a string, so that's why it gets kind of big up here, but that's okay. Super cute. And I did square knots for the end, and it just says sunrise in Hawaii. I love it. And here is the back of the Hawaii license plate, and it is so crazy, like crazy. But yeah, I really, really love this one. So super cute. Next one is this one, and it just says treat people with kindness. And I really, 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 really love this one. Super cute. I love the color combinations with the pink and yellow and blue and reddish color. But here is the back. This one's also pretty cool as well. And I ended it with square knots and the same technique at the top. So super cute. I love both of them. And yeah, you can kind of sense my feeling for this month, or my vibe, I would say, for this month is alphas with a white background, because I just love how they look. There we go. I love how they look, and it just looks so clean. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that would be much appreciated. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to be a part of the Crafty family. And again, I'm sorry that this video is late. I haven't had time throughout the whole day, and I still need to read chapters of a book by tomorrow. So, gonna go do that. I hope you have a marvelous day, and yeah, Bye, guys.